Good. Kanye. Awesome. All right, we're going to start with jumping jacks. You guys repeat after me. Everyone say, hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. Good. All right, rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Good counting. Go the other way now. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. Good. All right, rotating left and right. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. Good. All right, and have your hands on your knees. We're going to stretch out our shoulder like this way. Everyone say, hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. All right, other way now. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. All right, arms crossed, so down to the middle. Everyone say, hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. Good job, you guys. All right, shake your hands, shake your legs a little bit. Good. All right, chariot. Awesome. All right, when I say fighting stance, everyone be faster than Luke. Ready? Farias. Awesome. Good. All right, here's going to practice today. I'm going to start bouncing on your feet. Okay, when I say switch, I want everyone to switch your feet as quick as you can. Let's all be faster than Sage. Ready? Switch. Good. Switch. Good. Switch. Good. Switch. Awesome. 2 more times. Switch. Good. Switch. Awesome. Okay, now here's what we're going to practice today. We're going to go jab, cross, switch, round kick. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's do it slowly together. Everyone go jab. Okay, cross, switch, round kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, do that again. Hands right here. Good. Everyone go jab. Good. Nice. Keep this hand on the face. You look good. There you go. Cross. Good. Switch. Round kick. Awesome. Good work. Okay, now this time we're going to do the switch, but we're going to do a switch knee. So let's go jab. Cross. Switch. Knee. Awesome. Good, good. All right, so that again. Hands right here. Now look at my feet. Make sure you have 1 foot behind you. Okay, you have 1 foot behind you. You look good. Other foot in front. Look even better. So hands up like this. Good. Awesome. Good. Good job, Gabriel. Ready? Go jab. Good. Nice. Other hand, Gabriel. And Elise. Yeah, other hand too. Do this hand. There we go. Good. Cross. And then switch your feet. Switch. And knee. Awesome. Good, good. Okay, now we're going to make it a little more tricky. We're going to go jab, cross, switch, knee, round kick with the same leg. Does that make sense? Okay, let's try it together. Hands right here. Everyone go jab, cross, switch, knee, same leg, round kick. Ooh, nice, nice. Awesome. All right, we're going to make it even more tricky. We're going to go jab, cross, switch, knee, round kick, axe kick. Straight up and down with the same leg. I know you went crazy. Ready? Hands up here. Good. Ready to go jab. Good. Cross. Good. Switch. Knee. Good. Round kick. Axe kick. Ooh, pretty good. You guys have 5. Awesome, awesome. Good work. Okay, all right. Hands up fighting stance like this. Awesome. All right, here's what we're going to do, okay? When I say go, as quickly as you can, I want you guys to throw 2 punches. Okay, you're going to do 2 punches like this. Do a burpee. Come right back up. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, hands up fighting stance. Ready. And everyone say, hana. Good. Nice, and back up as fast as you can. Everyone be faster than Katie. Ready? And do it. Nice. Good job. Good, Gabriel. Good speed. Good, Zachariah. Good. And everyone say set. Good, nice job. All right, so you can be the fastest. Ready, net. Good, nice, good. Keep the hands up here, look, you look good. And toss it. Nice, good job, you guys, high five. Awesome, awesome. All right, we're gonna play a little game. So here's what we're gonna do today. I have this pad right here. I'm gonna swing it over at you guys like this. If I swing it at you at this side, okay, I want you guys to go block. So have your hands like this. I'm gonna go block. Good. And then we're gonna go hook, cross. Okay? So every time I swing the pad, I throw it at you here, I want you to go block, hook, cross. Does that make sense? Awesome, good. All right, let's use our fighting stance. Hands up like this. You look good. Nice. You have 1 foot back, look even better. Hands covering your head. Awesome. All right. Ready? And everyone go block. Good. Hook. Cross. Awesome. Good, good. All right, keep your hands up just like this. Again, block. Good. Hook. Cross. Awesome. Good, good. 2 more times. Ready? And oh, not yet. There you go. There you go. And block. Hook. Cross. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Good work, good work. Awesome. All right, we're going to practice some traditional stances, okay? We're going to practice a front stance, okay? So first, chariot. Good. All right. When I say junbi, feet apart, hands like this. Ready? Junbi. Ooh, pretty good, junbi. Let's do that again. Chariot. Awesome. Now, when you do your junbi, here's what I want you to do. I want you to breathe in, then breathe out. Okay, again. Breathe. Chariot. Junbi. Good. Awesome. All right, everyone take this arm, cross it on top. Awesome. We're going to step this way. We're going to do a front stance low block. So everyone go and step out like this. Good. Now we're going to keep this back leg locked, this front knee bent, and we're going to go low block, just like this, low block. Good. Awesome. Now from here, I want to aim out your hand in front. Without switching your stance, we're going to punch. Punch. Awesome. Good. Again, cross this one on top. Good. Now, if your front knee's bending, just like, let's see who's bending the front knee. Jordan's bending it. Sage is bending it. Gabriel, good. Luke, Katie, and Ewan. Awesome. All right. Again, low block. And punch. Awesome. Good job again. Low block. Good. Punch. Awesome. Good job again. Low block. And punch. Awesome. Now keeping this front stance. Okay, this time we're going to cross this arm underneath like this. Now I want you guys to shift your weight all the way back. We're going to do a back stance. Perfect. Have this hand out just like this. So your fist, your knuckles are facing out, and your hands just like this. There you go. Now this other hand's here, and we're bending our back knee and our front knee a little bit. Awesome. Now, holding our back stance, we're going to punch. Punch. Just like here. And you keep this back knee bent. Cross underneath. And let's see who can be faster than Sage. Ready? Block. Good. Punch. Awesome. Again, one more time. Ready? Cross underneath. Block. Punch. Nice. Good job. And paro. Right here. Good, awesome. All right, we got to do the other side now. So cross this arm on top. All right, we're going to low block this way. Everyone say low block. And I didn't hear you very well. Or try again. Go up here. Good. Everyone say low block. There you go. Good. Aim. Keeping your front stance. Punch. Good. Cross on top. Good. Jordan, where'd you go? There you go. Low block. You fell down? Okay, it's okay. Come back up. Aim. Punch. Good. 2 more times. Cross this arm on top. Good. Now, if you're bending your front knee, you look twice as good. There you go. Low block. Aim. Punch. Okay, now this time, everyone take this arm. Let's cross it underneath. Let's go ahead and shift our weight back for back stance. Bending more in this leg. Ready, side block. Good, punch. Good, not bad. Ready, now cross underneath. And then Katie, go and cross it underneath like this, okay? And then go here, side block. Now the other hand, we're just gonna punch like this, okay? Have him go punch. There we go, good job. And then cross underneath, one more. Everyone be faster than Luke. Side block. Good, like this. And make sure you guys bend your arm, like you're flexing your muscle. Like you're showing off your muscles. There we go. And then punch. Awesome, good job. Haro. Good, chariot. Good job, you guys. High five. Good work, awesome. All right, we're gonna work on some more kicking, okay? Now for this one, here's what we're gonna do. I want everyone to do this with your hands. Make sure you're not gonna bump anybody next to you or around you. If you are, just be very careful of your space. Okay, we're gonna do some movement with our kicks, okay? So, you guys don't have to spin. All right, hands up like this. Okay, we're gonna practice a skipping round kick. I'm gonna say skipping round kick. Okay, so watch me first. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna skip to one side, pick up this leg, round kick. Then we're gonna skip to the other side with this leg, round kick. Does that make sense? Awesome, good. All right, hands up fighting stance. Okay, we're gonna skip this way first. Everyone skip, round kick. Good, nice, hands right here, good. And now we're gonna go to the other side now, skip. Good, round kick. Awesome, good. Ready, now this way, skip. Round kick. Good, nice, 2 more times, skip. Round kick. Also, 1 more, skip. Round kick. Awesome, all right, we're gonna play a little game. It's gonna be a competition for all of you guys, okay? So here's what you're gonna do. When I say go, as fast as you can, I want you to do 10 kicks. So you're gonna go 1, 2, all the way to 10. Does that make sense? Do 10 kicks as fast as you can. All right, ready? On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, not bad, not bad, you guys. Good work. High five. Awesome, awesome. Good work. Okay, now we're going to make it even more challenging. This time, we're not going to skip, but we're going to hold up our foot like this, and we're going to do 10 kicks with one leg, and then 10 with the other. So that's 20 kicks total. Does that make sense? Okay, now here's the deal. When you're doing these kicks, okay, quality over quantity. You guys know what that means? No. Here's what that means, okay? It's better to do kicks slower and correctly than a bunch of kicks wrong. Does that make sense? Okay, so watch. If I do a kick, is this a kick? No. Not really, right? Is this a round kick? No, it looks like I'm trying to take off my sandal. Okay, so when you kick, make sure your knee bends before and after every time, just like this. Okay, awesome. All right, ready? Hands up, fighting stance. Okay, ready? 10 kicks on this side. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, nice. Now do the other leg when you're ready. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, awesome, good. All right, now this time, we're gonna pick up our knee. Now we're gonna go round kick. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna go round kick. Good. Pull it in. Side kick. Okay, so let's try it together. Ready? Pick up this knee. And round kick. Pull your knee in. Side kick. Pretty good balance. Awesome. Oh, you good, Luke? You okay, Jordan? Yeah. Remember, you guys, if you get hit, if you fall down, okay, it's okay. Just stand back up. It's all right. Have him pick up the other leg. All right, 3 times on this side. And go round kick. Pull your knee in. Side kick. Awesome again. Ready, round kick. Pull this knee in. Side kick. Awesome, good. One more. Ready, round kick. Pull this knee in. Side kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Good work, good work. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna shake your hands, shake your legs a little bit. Awesome. All right, we're gonna do some stretching, okay? So I want Evan to do this. Evan, go down on one knee, just like this. Good, awesome. We're gonna stretch out our hip. We're gonna push our hip like this. I want you guys to repeat after me in Korean. Everyone say hana. 둘. 셋. 넷. Good. 다섯. 여섯. 일곱. 여덟. 아홉. 열. Okay, now this time we're gonna sit back. I want you guys to have your toes up in the air like this and reach for your toes. Okay? There you go. Try to keep your knees straight. Make sure it's not bending. Keep it straight, okay? Awesome. All right, everyone say 하나. 둘. 셋. 넷. 다섯. 여섯. 일곱. 여덟. 아홉. Yeah, good job. Awesome. All right, we're going to switch sides this time. Now we're going to push out with our hip just like this. There you go. Good. Stretch out. Stretch it out. You should feel a stretch right here. Everyone say 하나. Good. Almost, Luke. Try to go on one knee. There you go. Yeah, one knee, okay? Ready? 둘. 셋. 넷. 다섯. 여섯. 일곱. 여덟. 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Now have your legs straight like this. Good. Now reaching for your toes. There you go. Keep your legs straight. There you go. Good job, Gabriel. Ready? 하나. 둘. 셋. 넷. 다섯. 여섯. 일곱. 여덟. 아홉. And yeah, awesome job, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna sit down crisscross. Good. Crisscross just like this. Good. Hands on your knees. Good. You can also sit like this too. That's okay. Awesome. We're gonna practice some deep breathing to finish up today. Okay. So I want to take your hands, put it on your stomach. Okay. We're gonna breathe in for 5 seconds and breathe out for 7 seconds today. Okay. So I'm gonna take a deep breath in. Brush with your nose. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in. Deep breath. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more times. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. Good work today. You guys have any questions for me? Okay. Jordan, what's your question?